Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Batwell at perfectgardens.com. So today I'm here to talk to you about how important and essential it is to have the basic equipment in your grow room. One of those things is the stake right here. So often things will grow and will begin to fall over, just like this right here. What happens is it begins to block your pathways in your garden. When people walk around it, it catches clothing and other things because of the fur on the leaves, and before you know it, stems and other things are breaking, photosynthesis is decreasing, and unnecessary stress is being induced on your plant. Just having a few basic stakes to support these branches as they're growing can make a huge difference in your yield at the end of the season. So I'm going to go ahead and stake up my plants real quick, from my potato plants to some of my tomato plants, and I'll show you how easy it is and essential it is to at least just have a couple bags of stake laying around in your grow room. Thanks so much and have a great grow.